Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for checking out today's video. And what we're gonna do is a walkthrough of this deck or pier project. Basically, we're gonna replace about 80% of this. So this is gonna be an interesting one. We do a lot of decks, but we've never done anything in the water like this. We're not replacing any of the pylons or whatever the word is, basically the posts that go down into the water. So it's about 80% of it, all the substructure, the top, everything but the posts or pylons that are going into the water. So again, thank y'all for checking out the video and let's get right into it. So the agreement that we have with this customer is to replace all of the floor of this deck, all of the fascia or the end caps basically, and 80% of the substructure. So right now we don't know what the substructure looks like, so that's gonna be the first order of business, is to pull some of these deck boards off and get a good look at what's going on underneath there. Okay, so we took these first two deck boards off right here. We took two of them off and now we can see pretty much what's going on underneath here. And we've already inspected it pretty good. Basically all of these 2x8 runners, we're not going to replace them. We're just going to put new ones on. These are actually in really good shape, but this client here just wanted to reinforce them. So basically what we're going to do is just put new ones. Haven't decided completely yet or 100% how we're going to do it, but more than likely we're just going to put new ones here. That way, since these are in really good shape, you'll have these reinforcing the deck and whatever new ones we put. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the ones on the end are in really good shape. We're not going to mess with those. But we'll put at least 4 new ones in here in total. So now what we're going to do is start taking off this fascia board on this side. Chewy's already working on that. So I'm going to help him, but that's the next step. We're going to take the fascia off. We're starting here and we're going all the way around. Okay, so we've got all the fascia boards off all the way around. Next, we're gonna come back over here and start taking some more of these deck boards off and just make sure what we thought it looks like underneath isn't gonna change. Earlier in the video, I was saying that it wasn't that bad, but you know, we only had two of the boards off of the floor, so we'll see what that looks like now. All right, we're done with the deck. Let's go ahead and take a look at the after video. Kind of see it here. Actually, let me go ahead and turn the camera around and give you all a better look. Unfortunately, I was unable to get good time-lapse video of us doing the final, putting the decking on and building the handrail. I wasn't able to record my guys doing that. I wasn't here the day that they did that. All in all, this took us about 3 days to do. Was 1 day longer than we expected. We thought we could get it done in 2 days, but it took us 3. Either way, the customer is happy. That's the ultimate goal. We got a handrail on this side now. We also put basically this lip. It's just a 2x4 all the way around. That way a wheelchair or something can't roll off of here. But in the video it doesn't do it justice, but I'm bouncing up and down on this deck and I remember what it was like before we did this repair or restoration, I guess, and man, it's a big difference. It is a big difference. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank y'all for joining us on this deck refab or restoration. We do appreciate y'all hanging with us on these and watching the videos that we upload. It helps us get new customers for our company, but also we enjoy what we do and we like sharing it. We like seeing y'all's comments. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps out with the algorithm and helps the algorithm show our videos to more people. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.